Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how camera pro mode works on the Realme 11 Pro Plus. So to open the pro mode you have to go for the more modes, select Pro, and first of all just click on this information icon where you can find description of every parameter like ISO, white balance, shutter speed, exposure compensation, and automatic and manual focus. Right now I'm going to show you how you can adjust these parameters. Right here we can find ISO level. Here we can find shutter speed. The next we can find the exposure compensation. Here we can find automatic and manual focus. The next it's the white balance. And when we go for the upper bar we can switch photo format. Here we can enable camera timer between 3 or 10 seconds. And also we can change camera aspect ratio. And yeah, that's all for the camera tips and tricks and this Realme 11 Pro Plus. Hope you like it.